All right, so now Justin is going to demonstrate how to hit that draw and how to hit that fade. We're going to start from the straight on, the square position, as if he's going to hit a straight shot. And so Justin, if you'll get into your setup for a straight shot, you can see that all of his lines are parallel to where he wants the ball to go. So now to hit the draw, we need to start the ball out to the right, and then we need to curve it back to the left. So we've already talked about the grip, and Justin will get into his strong grip. The other thing that he's going to do for us is he's going to aim to the right. So that means that the ball's going to start to the right of this yellow line, to the right of the obstacle, and he's going to have to get his shoulders and his feet and his hips parallel to that. So Justin, if you would move a little bit to your left so that you're aiming to the right, and give us that strong grip that we talked about in the last sequence. Okay, so he's performed two of the three elements that we're looking to do when we draw the ball. The third is going to be in the release. So when Justin gets to impact, he is going to make sure that his release is a lot flatter. Notice the club face is down to the ground. So he's going to come through with a lot more of a rounded, released club face, and this club face is going to stay down much longer than when he goes to curve the ball to the right. So go ahead and just show us in slow motion over the ball what's going to happen here with your swing. Go ahead and demonstrate that swing over the ball. Strong grip, aim to the right. Now watch the release as he slowly moves over the ball and holds his release, just to demonstrate what that's going to look like. Okay, one more time. A little bit slow. Okay, and you can see the club face is down. All right. Now, let's go back to your square position. And now we're going to demonstrate, before we hit any shots here, how we're going to move the ball left to right. So now we're going to adjust the grip the other way. So we need to go a little bit more neutral than even his neutral grip. So his hands will move slightly left. We're going to ask him to aim to the left, which now means his lines, his shoulders, his hips, and his feet all have to be left of the obstacle. So if you'll move a little bit more to the left and aim left. And now the last difference again is in the release. When he comes to the ball and impacts it, he's going to hold off the club face, and he's going to get the shaft feeling like it's held off, and notice how you can see the club face now. It is just the opposite release of when we're curving the ball right to left. So that is the big difference that you're going to visually see when he performs these next few shots. All right, so just show us in slow motion what that's going to look like. Swing over the ball, don't hit it. Weaker grip, aim to the left, and then the release. And you can see that the club face has not released as much as when he was trying to hit that curve right to left. One more time on the slow swing. All right, so now I'm going to have Justin demonstrate the two shots. We're going to start with the left to right shot. So Justin, start from your square position. Okay. Move into your weaker grip. Aim to the left. And now give us that left to right release. more time. A little weaker grip. Aim to the left and hold off that release. Perfect. And now we'll now we'll go back and curve the ball right to left. So now he's got to strengthen his grip. He needs to aim a little out to the right of the obstacle so that his swing is moving out to the right. And then he's going to have a totally different release, and the club face will be to the ground as he finishes. And one more. Make sure the club face is aiming at the obstacle. One of the tricks here is to make sure that that club face continues to aim at the obstacle or where you want the ball to end up. Because as you move your stance and move your grip around, it sometimes can get confusing. So that club face needs to aim where you want the ball to end up. There's his adjustment to the right. He's made the adjustment in the grip, and now the release. There it is right there. So you can use those three components of grip, aim, and swing to move the ball right to left, move the ball left to right, or if you simply want to hit a straight shot, you can do that too.